Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, do well to follow us on Telegram. You see the link in the comment section. So let's take a look at GBPUSD, what we'll be expecting on GBPUSD for the next day, which is for the 6th. But before that, we are currently running the online mentorship, which will be starting by next week Monday, which is for the 11th. So if you're interested in trading, in learning how to trade properly, right, or learning how to trade professionally, right, you can now join the mentorship. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So once you go, you subscribe to the December online mentorship, which will be starting very soon. Then we teach a lot of things, how to analyze charts properly, how to trade with key levels, pure price actions would, and we'll look at it, the strategies that we use, the psychology, how to trade the GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY. We would also look at how to trade, we will be taught how to trade Nasdaq 100, gold, WTI, also the fundamental news that move all these markets, including GBP USD. We would also look at how to enter a trade, how to take profits, how to exit, the indicators that it is best used on trading GBP, and also some chart patterns. So we will be looking at it. If you're interested in the mentorship, you will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So now let's take a look at this GBP USD. You can see that at first USD has been pushing up for some times. So I said something that if market push up and it eventually start ranging, watch out for a breakout. Maybe something, there's an higher highs and here is an higher lows. Then there's a new higher highs, then an higher lows. Then all of a sudden market pushes up, failing to give us a new higher highs. It came to this support level, failed to break the support level, then come to this resistance. It means market has now started ranging. So all you just have to do is wait for a breakout anywhere, probably to the downside or to the upside. So on this case, on GBP market eventually broke to this downside. So one thing I'll be watching out for is we need a confirmation if it will continue to drop, or this might be a fake out. This could be a false a fake a false breakout, whereby it will deceive a lot of traders because it has broken out of this support level. It might deceive a lot of traders that it will be dropping only for GBP to start pushing up. And there's every possibility that true it has actually broken below it and it will continue to drop. So we just need a confirmation. So one of my confirmation that I'll look at is probably see a pullback to this level. Now, what will markets do? Will it break out of it? If it will break out of it and continue to push up, then we should head straight to this our resistance level. That is what GBP will do. But if not, we are very much likely to see it drop and give us a new lower lows. So watch out and see what GBP do, and we can continue. So when you subscribe, you will get an update. And also the online mentorship will be starting by next week, so you can quickly join. You will find the link to the online mentorship in the comment section.